Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 1, часть 1, страница 4-5, English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 1, part number 1, page number 4, 5. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4. 4. Round up lessons. Lesson number 1. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Germany, Greece, Italy, Mexico, Poland, Peru, Spain, Turkey, Portugal. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Germany, Greece, Italy, Mexico, Poland, Peru, Spain, Turkey, Portugal. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 2. Where are they from? Read, look, and choose. My country's flag is red and white. I am from Peru. My country's flag is blue and white. I am from Greece. My country flag is green, white, and red. I am from Italy. My country's flag is black, red, and yellow. I am from Germany. My country's flag is red and white. I am from Turkey. My country's flag is green and red. I am from Portugal. The answers. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Draw your country's flag. Present it to the class. Нарисуй флаг своей страны. Представь его классу. My country's flag is white, blue, and red. I am from Russia. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 5. Exercise number 4. Listen, point, and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Slim, tall, fat, short, beautiful, handsome, curly hair, straight hair, aunt, uncle, cousin. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. Look, read, and write the names. Uncle Fergus, cousin Patrick, Aunt Mary. Послушай, прочитай и напиши имена. Uncle Fergus is old and fat and has got a big nose. He's very funny. Aunt Mary has got long curly hair. She is kind and friendly. Cousin Patrick has got dark hair and big eyes. He's very clever. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 7. Talk with your friend. What does Uncle Fergus look like? He's got a big nose. What's he like? He's very funny. Поговори со своим другом. Как выглядит дядя Фергус? У него большой нос. Что он за человек? Он очень забавный. What does Aunt Mary look like? She has got long curly hair. What is she like? She is kind. What does Cousin Patrick look like? He has got dark hair and big ears. What is he like? He is very clever. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.